Pompe disease, also known as glycogen storage disease type 2, is a recessive genetic disease of the GAA gene, meaning each parent must pass on a faulty copy of the gene for their child to get the disease. The GAA gene codes for an enzyme called lysosomal acid 1,4-glucosidase, or more simply, acid alpha-glucosidase, which breaks down chains of stored glucose, known as glycogen, when energy is needed in the body. Glycogen can accumulate in a part of the cell known as the lysosome, which acts as a waste management system by breaking down waste products to recycle them. Without well-functioning acid alpha-glucosidase, the glycogen in the lysosome cannot be broken down or released. This causes glycogen to build up, leading to cell damage and eventually cell death. In Pompe disease, mutations either reduce the production of this enzyme or make the enzyme dysfunctional. This affects mainly the muscle cells and the brain cells, causing progressive muscle wasting and neurological impairment. Pompe disease has two types. People with highly reduced or no levels of the functioning enzyme are diagnosed with the infantile onset form, which presents in the first year of life and can cause extreme symptoms such as hypertrophic cardiomyopathy or largening of the heart and eventual heart failure. General muscle weakness can occur, such as in the muscles necessary for breathing, leading to respiratory failure. Patients with reduced enzyme levels are diagnosed with the late onset form, which can present from childhood to adulthood. This carries fewer extreme symptoms as the heart is not involved. However, the symptoms can still be significant, such as progressive loss of mobility and muscle weakness. There is, however, hope. Thanks to the expanded newborn blood screening program adding more than 80 additional diseases including Pompe disease, we can catch it early. If you are a soon-to-be parent or have recently had a child, this could be life-saving for your baby. Time is of the essence, especially in the infantile onset form, and screening will also help doctors identify and preemptively manage the late onset, greatly improving the quality of life for your child. If you are a current or soon-to-be parent, use this screening service. It could save your child's life and help them live a life full of movement. If you or a loved one has been diagnosed with Pompe disease, there are a number of support services available. The Australian Pompe Association is a support network and charity made up of patients with Pompe disease who know what it's like and can help you or your loved ones through this journey. On Facebook and Instagram, there are a number of pages that can connect you with other people who are in the same boat as you and have experienced being treated. If you want to help support those with Pompe disease or add to the research being conducted, you can donate to the Australian Pompe Association or register as a participant in a clinical trial with the National Library of Medicine's clinicaltrials.gov website, where a number of trials are available in Australia and around the world. With your help, there is a bright future for all with Pompe disease and a bright future for us all.